So I've been following AI news because it helps me understand what's happening out there in the real world. So I made this quick video to share 5 interesting AI updates and why they may matter for just about any business to be aware of. Univation and C3 AI rolled out predictive maintenance in petrochemical plants. AI spots pumps and valves faults before they fail. So you get an alert that night before the leak, you fix it fast and avoid a multi-million-dollar shutdown. Arista Networks is acquiring VeloCloud SD-WAN to bring AI into corporate networks. That means your team's video calls stay very smooth even when everyone joins at once or other choppy things happen. xAI's Grok assistant is headed to Tesla vehicles next week at the latest. Picture asking your car for traffic updates on route changes, hands-free, right from your dashboard. AI Da, the robot artist, just sold a painting for over $1 million at auction. It shows how AI-driven creativity can truly command serious value. So imagine using similar tools for your next marketing campaign. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 FE now ship with built-in Galaxy AI. Auto-framing your face on video calls, smart reply suggestions on messages, all just instantly while keeping your data on device. Interesting what's happening with AI and hardware. That's 5 AI moves in the real world. Is anything interesting in your industry that I'd love to hear in the comments? And I'd love to hear what you think about this news. I hope you're having a great day.